Wala na. Grabe kayo pagpangaon nila, oh. Oh, si Mami Pritz, diligid mo undang. Si Mami Tina, si Pastor Manny, si Pastor Josie, si Jessaly, si Ivy, ang pinakabagiitang Mary Chris, digid siya mulingi. Ug, ang pinakabagiitan. Saan yung mong ay, video ni Migo. YouTube.
Focus na rin. Ako gusto na yan, LB.
Sige, Pastor.
Doon na.
Tuol gyud ah.
YouTube niya, YouTube.
YouTube.
YouTube niya. Hi. Sister LB, if you are over there, this is Pastor Manny, together with Honey and Brother Juicy. We are here at Naawan MSU Hostel with the courtesy of Brother Juicy. Offered us this place overnight, and at this moment we are having our breakfast with bulad because you had forgotten us already. Take note. This is for your information. God bless you. Extend our warmest regards to everyone. To Brother Alan, hello. And to the kids, especially Popoy.
Wow.
Good morning. This is from the Philippines. God bless you all.
Wala pa man, Pastor. 1 minute pa.
Dili kay hangin ang dagat siguro.
Karon nga pag-ani nato dili hangin na kini nga hibi kami suna. Maglumbang mi gukod sa silupin kay manglupad man ang mga silupin ito nang hibi.
Oh, Serban! Oh, Serban!
Nicole. Dirty girl.
Hello. Here we are now at hostel and see. By the way, this is Lourdes speaking. Okay, that's the beach. A very nice beach. This is Ate Lucel. Ate Lucel, say something.
I'm already full with our breakfast egg and dried fish.
Okay. Ate, kami man nakikit partner. Kami na pa yung manghugas karon.
Now, natuto ba?
Minutes na?
Wala pa mi.